guys eat lunch with me. So for lunch I have some cheese, some avocado, some egg with tomato sauce, and 2 Viennas. Yeah, that's delicious lunch. But come on, tell you what's my most secret. Which I'm gonna start with so first. My most favorite combo is okay. First we're gonna talk about the combo those. It's like avocado with some egg, guys. Making the avocado sandwich with egg. It's gonna be in your mouth. So nice, guys. And now this is 12 o'clock. And my mom made this for me. So good. Ooh, so delicious. I'm gonna reverse this with the camera because I think you can see it right. So guys, yeah, and I'm reversing it. So as a cucumber, I took this with egg and tomato sauce, yeah. And I love the cheese. I am now just gonna take one and bye. Breakfast.